Hello, my name is Leo. I'm 6 years old and I come from Germany and Thailand. I'm learning, getting ready for Year 1 English and Year 1 Maths at Wolsey Hall Oxford. Learning at Wolsey Hall Oxford is fun and very creative. There are many games, both in English and Maths, which makes the learning not boring at all. I can also draw a lot and make my own storybooks. After I finish the lessons, I like to play at the playground with my sister. I also like drawing, playing Lego blocks. When the weather is nice, I like to ride a bike. Learning at Wolsey Hall make it possible to learn and travel at the same time. Thank you, Wolsey Hall, for an amazing experience.